Prepare material: plug, cable, two conductor materials, bottle caps that have been modified with two holes. The first step, remove the plug and nut inside. Input the cable into the plug rod. Warp the cable first to make it easier. Then tighten it with a nut. If there are parts of the cable that are not open yet, you can do this method by burning the cable part and then pulling it.
Okay, my turn. Redo all of the screws inside of the plug. And then close the plug. Run the coppers from the other end of the cable through the holes on the cap. Tie the conductor materials each to the coppers. Make sure the conductor materials don't touch each other. Now connect the plug to an electrical socket and put the conductor materials into the water that you want to heat. Now sit back and watch your water gets warmer and warmer.